back to the layout, everybody. Today's video is going to be a really short video because I've done absolutely nothing on the layout for the last 2 weeks. First of all, we were at a train show on the weekend, Sunday, up in Woodstock, and this gentleman has these 3D printed garbage bins that I picked up. Aren't they sweet? Look at that. Comes with 2 lids and everything. All I gotta do is just paint them and then put on the lids, and then we're gonna put them out onto the layout. So I picked these up. They were only like $5 a piece, so sweet deal, good find. And check his website out and his YouTube. So he's got a whole bunch of good stuff 3D printed, and prices are really reasonable. Alright, so that's what I picked up when I was at the train show on the weekend. And then I just put down a couple more trees here, and then that's about all I've been doing on the layout. So I got this fallen tree I got to stand up, and then nothing else has been done. Oh, I've just finished up all the telephone poles, so they're all done. Just have to go and put them in up here on the second level, and then we'll continue on from working on some more roads over here. Another crossing. Nothing else has happened. My son just got this new Amtrak. It's an Athearn. Nice unit. And that's about all that's been happening. And the ballast work is slowing down. Nothing really much happening here. I gotta get more gray and more of this light gray for the industries. And I also have to get more of the grass colors. So that's all that's been happening on the layout. Nothing much to report. Of course, summer's coming, so the camping season is going to be starting up. So we'll be doing some camping. So of course the layout is going to be pretty much at a standstill. But I'll keep you guys posted, see what's happening. As always, thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, share it, and let's watch some trains run now.